Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by, checking out what we got going on. As you can see, we're back in the shop. It started out at about 15 degrees out here, but I got the torpedo heater going on and off. We got up to about 35, still a little frosty, but I figured I just needed to bear up and get you guys some content. So plus we need to get this oil burner done. So today we're going to be working on the oil drip feed system, show you how I'm going to make it, and might even do some gas welding. I dug out some old brazing rods, so go old school on it. So come back in a minute whenever we get everything else set up. Alright y'all, got a piece of 1-inch pipe here. It's black, just black pipe. Got it set up in the drill press here in the vise. Got my step bit. We're going to drill a sight hole down through here to for you can see how fast the drip rate is. So got everything set up. Let's start the drilling. And a little lube. Going slow here. Apparently I didn't tighten that bit down. Alright, I'm going to get that bit tightened down and we'll bring you back. Alright, now we got her going. Smoking. Alright, we're going through the other side now. Alright, there we go, we're through. We're going to take this as big as this bit will go, which I think is 3/4. Alright, there's that. Now I need to flip this pipe over. We'll draw it from the other side. Give me a sec. We can do that just like this. Look at that. All right. Alright, there we go. We got the hole drilled in her. Move some stuff around here and we'll bring you back for the next step. Alright y'all, got this kind of set up here. What I'm going to do is I got a flat washer here. And I'm going to weld that to the end. And then our valve, that pipe, little pipe nipple sits right in there. There's our valve. But I'm going to weld that right in there, right in the center. And then when you turn the valve on, let me widen out there. When you turn the valve on here, you'll be able to see down through the hole how much oil, how fast the oil is dripping down through. So just an easy way to see how it's doing. So I'm gonna get the torches set up and we will get the brazing. Alright y'all, it's actually the next day. I went to put my welding tip on my oxyacetylene torches and it wasn't in the cart nowhere. I couldn't find it, so I actually borrowed one from a friend of mine. Picked it up after work tonight, so we're gonna get the brazing on this thing here. What I've done is I put the little nipple in my little vise here. I've ground this. You got to grind the anti-rust coating off of these, off the washers and stuff. Anytime you guys are doing the welding on these, gas, MIG, whatever, clean that stuff off there. That is not good for your lungs. Very, very bad for your lungs, actually. So did that. Got it all squared up here, and I'm gonna get the brazing. So let me get my gloves and stuff on, and we'll get to get the brazing this. Alright, y'all, just as easy as that. A few seconds. All you gotta do is get it hot enough that the brazing rod will flow all the way around it. Should be good and airtight. So now I'm going to take this piece out with a pair of pliers, and we'll put our big piece in, and we'll braze around there. Give me a second and we'll get that set up, and then we'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, got that all set up there. We're just going to run a little bead around her, so just got to heat her up, and I just moved her. Alright, guys, just that easy. Got that all brazed up, everything all together there. Y'all, this is a really good skill to have. Some of the younger generation probably have never torch welded or oxyacetylene welded before. You can do steel instead of the brazing. Maybe I'll do another video on that, showing some of that. But you can actually weld cast iron with a brazing rod. It's good and strong. So if you guys have an oxyacetylene torch set sitting around, you're just using it for cutting, purchase them. I mean, this brazing rod's not expensive at all. Just pick you up some, start brazing some metal together. So, alright, let me get this cleaned off, or cooled off, and then we'll get it cleaned up, and I'll give you guys a better look at it. Alright, y'all, if you guys can see that, she's all brazed all the way around. Just kind of wire brushed it a little bit, all up around the nipple there, and this is what the what it's going to be. So We got the valve on top here. This will be the feed valve. Will be a pipe hose bib or hose barb coming here. We use 1/4-inch rubber tube. I got some clear stuff so I can see the oil coming in, and this is how you'll adjust it. You'll look through this hole right here and you'll see your drip coming down through, and then this will just branch it down to the 1/4-inch line that I'm putting into the burner. So real simple. We'll do another video on it once we get it all installed and everything, get it on the stove, get it operational. But you know, there it is. And like I said before, y'all, learn how to braze, learn how to gas weld. It's real handy, and my opinion is some gas welding with steel filler rod can be just as strong as a MIG weld. You're not going to weld 1/2-inch plate or anything like that, but if you got to do some sheet metal work, you know, you can grind this stuff down just like you can in a regular MIG, and with enough practice, turn your heat down, you can lay a really nice bead and weld the stuff together real quick with your gas welder. So I think that's going to do it for this video. We're not working on the door. I kind of wanted to move on and get going on that. This feed valve here, I do have to clean up a little bit around the hole here. There's a little bit of a burr. No big deal. I'll run a file or something over it, a little sandpaper or something. But promise in the next video we will either work on the door or the air feed tube coming in the side, where this oil feed line will run down through the center of that. I have everything I need now, I think, to get that plumbed in and get that welded in. So I think that's, like I said, I think that's going to do it for this video. So let's do an outro. Alright, there you have it for this video. We got the oil feed, drip feed, whatever you want to call it. Got that all made. We're ready to move on to the air feed. And like I said, the tube that this is attached to, where your oil will come out the bottom here, and you know, do loop-de-loops or whatever you need to do it, will feed down through the middle of the air tube. You guys seen that before when we cut the door and put the burn pan in there. So that's gonna do it. Appreciate y'all watching. You like these videos we're doing, please hit that like button, comment, share it out if you can. Really appreciate that. Get this out there, get some people that may not watch my channel, please, you know, get them interested in it. So alright, Sunday live streams, Sunday night 7 p.m. just like always. Stop by, hang out, chat. Really enjoy, you know, meeting everybody and talking with everybody. So I think that's going to do her. Appreciate you all watching. Like, comment, subscribe as always. And we'll catch you all on the next one. Bye.